guys, welcome back to another वीडियो। आज की वीडियो में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बात करने वाला है। एक तो यार ये जो टाइमर लगा हुआ है ना कि 12 मिनट से ज़्यादा बड़ी वीडियो बना नहीं सकते आप। क्यों? क्योंकि आपकी फ़ोन की स्टोरेज बहुत कम है। इससे बहुत तंग आ गया हूँ मैं। इसकी वजह से मैं खुल के बना नहीं पाता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि भाई प्रेशर कि 12 मिनट में ही मेरी वीडियो कंप्लीट करनी है और मेरे पास अभी कोई स्टोरेज है नहीं कि जहाँ पर मैं अपनी पुरानी वीडियो सेव कर पाऊँ। बहुत सारी वीडियो बना दी है भाई, प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि बोला था भाई एक आदमी ने, गुरु जी ने यूट्यूब पे कि 300 वीडियो लगेगी पहले, उससे कुछ नहीं होगा। ना उससे पैसे आएंगे, ना उससे कोई आप ब्रांड बना रहे हो, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो। आपके चैनल पे हो सकता है एक सब्सक्राइबर भी ना बढ़े, पर दैट्स very important if you want to build your skill and your habit of consistency, brother, because without consistency you won't be able to just get anything in life, brother. So therefore it's very important कि आप consistent रहें। कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ आपको ये भी इंश्योर करना है कि आप उस स्किल में धीरे धीरे बढ़ते जा रहे हो भाई। वही तो पॉइंट है, वही तो पॉइंट है काम करने का। अगर आप उस स्किल में अच्छा नहीं कर पा रहे हो, अच्छा और आगे तक नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हो, देखो ऐसा नहीं होता भाई, लीनियर ग्राफ नहीं बनता कभी भी इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोग्रेस। आप कोई भी स्किल करोगे तो ऐसे सीधा नहीं जाएगा ग्राफ कि आज अच्छे थे और अच्छे हो गए, कल उससे अच्छे हो गए, परसों। ऐसा नहीं जाता कभी भी ऐसे नहीं जाता भाई। बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स पे डिसाइड करता है कि whether you would be able to just perform better that day or not, and it can be even less better as compared to your previous year yesterday, brother, but that's completely fine. But if you would gonna see the long term game now, if you would if you had ever just saw any graph of like a stock market or of any brand in stock market for like 5 years or 10 years, so you would what it looks like, it's like exponential, just like this. But you would eventually gonna see that the graph, even if it is just decreasing and rising day by day, but then also it's increasing, it's increasing, and by 10 year, yeah, boom, brother, it's like a whole new different game out there. Once the brand just emerged out and just started just selling his shares, and now you can see the price of those shares. Could you believe कि एक समय था कि when gold was around like 21,000 rupees, एक कैरेट की बात कर, सॉरी एक कैरेट, हाँ एक कैरेट नहीं, सॉरी 10 ग्राम or something like that, it's cost you around 21,000 rupees only. Could you believe that? Yeah, it's true. And now you can see the fucking price of that gold, brother. It felt like just a huge amount of inflation in the प्राइस ऑफ गोल्ड. सो देयरफॉर आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि दो चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है. और अब 3 मिनट हो गए, अभी भी भाई टाइमर यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है कि 12 मिनट से ज़्यादा वीडियो नहीं बना पाते, लेकिन तब भी नाउ आई केम इन द फ्लो शीट, ब्रदर. या नाउ आई केम इन द फ्लो शीट एंड नाउ आई वुड गोना टेल यू ऑल द थिंग्स दैट्स कमिंग डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम माई अनकॉन्शियस ब्रेन, एंड दैट इज एक्चुअली if you would ever gonna start anything out in your life, brother, let it be anything, brother. If you just decided that you were gonna hit the gym from tomorrow onwards, if you just decided to eat clean from tomorrow onwards, it doesn't matter what the work is unless it's productive, brother. Yeah. So क्या होगा ना, तुमने आज जैसे कोई प्रण लिया, you had just took the oath today कि from tomorrow onwards or from this day only I will be starting this and this. So you're not taking the oath alone, brother. You're just taking the oath with your whole universe and with those competitors out there, everyone. You're just taking your oath with all those people out there. And also, even if no one listens your oath, you had just kept your oath here and just took here only. But then also universe knows about your oath and what you were gonna get after that oath, after the completion of after achieving your goal, what you were gonna get. That universe knows very well everything out there. So therefore, in order to just test you out whether you are actually potentially capable or not of getting that goal or not, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हर चीज़ प्राइस से आती है, brother. Even if you just feel like the internet is so cheap and why the YouTube shorts and Instagram shorts are not like paid or something like that, but then also it's actually very important to know कि it's actually costing your soul. You know about that. It actually costing your time, your precious time that you can use to build yourself out there, and you can just also use that in doing any type of productive work, brother. It doesn't matter what productive task you are doing. but you should be doing that consistently, and also you should be improving that every day, brother. That's what I was telling you about. So suppose you just took the oath of just I would gonna be hitting the gym from tomorrow onwards, because it's like I'm a gym guy, so therefore I'm just telling you about that oath. You can take any type of oath. If it's like I would gonna study from like 6 hours tomorrow, I would be dedicating my 6 hours of life for every fucking day, doesn't matter what it comes in my life. I will be proving myself out. So universe, just listen that, brother. Even if you are not speaking that, when you are taking the oath, then also the universe listens all the things. And now अब तक ओथ लेने से पहले तुम वो काम नहीं कर रहे। ओथ लेने के बाद भाई अब तुम्हारे अंदर यू गॉट अ सडन अर्ज मोटिवेशन टू जस्ट प्रूव योरसेल्फ आउट फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स, from the day you just took the oath for it. Okay, so you would be just doing the workout. When you would starting the workout, universe knows very well कि गोल अचीव वही कर पाएगा, उसी को करने दूंगा। यूनिवर्स कहता है उसी को मैं गोल अचीव करने दूंगा जो केपेबल होगा। सबको नहीं मिलेगी मस्टैंग, सबको नहीं मिलेगी BMW, क्यों? कुछ ही लोग ले जाते हैं। अब तुम ये मत बोल देना भाई कि उनके खानदान में तो बहुत पैसे, नहीं, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं दैट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम एक्चुअली लोअर देन यू, बट देन ऑल्सो दे हैव Mercedes and BMW today. Why? Because they are capable enough of getting that. Why Sharin Garten got like 2 or 3 lakh subscribers in only a span of 1 year, and Chad Tag was trying it for like 6 to 7 years, and now he got like 2 or 3 lakhs. Why is that so? It's actually because the more capable you would be in your goal, the more potential you would gonna have, the more you would be achieving that goal, brother. That's what I was telling you. It doesn't matter what's your goal is, जी रगड़नी पड़ेगी भाई, घिसानी पड़ेगी, मरानी पड़ेगी, सब चीज़ करनी पड़ेगी। तो जब तुम स्टार्ट करोगे ना वो काम, यूनिवर्स would gonna know about that, and he would gonna make every fucking possible obstacle in your way so that you can get distracted from that your goal, and you just be getting distracted and never starting it again, brother. That's what universe want. They even consciously it doesn't want you to just stop. It's just testing you out there. ऐसे ही बाधा आती है भाई कि I also just took the oath of just कि I would be sleeping early because of my messed up sleep cycle. Like now I sleep like on 11:30 or 11 p.m, but I just decided to sleep at like 9:30 p.m. तो उसी समय कल की बात बता रहा हूँ, 9:30 p.m की मैं सब कर लिया था, मेरे को पता था कि अब सोऊंगा मैं। At that point of time, damn, phone burst, ring, got a call from my friend, so close friend that I can't deny that, brother. I can't deny that. He's so close friend of mine, and he occasionally calls me out. It's not like he calls me every day, so it was very important for me to just take the call. But also after just talking with that guy for like 45 minutes, and I just saw the time and it got like 10:15 p.m. and I was not able to sleep. So a little bit of regression was there in my mind, and I felt like why did the hell I just pick the call up. But after that some बाधा और आ गई। पता है क्या, कल मैं बता रहा हूँ भाई 5 बजे तक सो नहीं पाया, 5 बजे तक। Could you believe it, brother? Even if I had not took the oath, brother, I can sleep like I was able to sleep at like 11:30 or like 12 p.m. I was not able to sleep the whole damn fucking night yesterday, brother. Why? I don't know, brother. I just took the creatine. I just started just taking the creatine from yesterday, and it like, yeah, and therefore I feel like it could be a possible reason for that. Yeah, that's what I was telling you. कि बाधाएं बहुत आएंगी जीवन में, बट देन ऑल्सो एक चीज़ है जो आपको बचा सकती है, क्योंकि बाधा से आप कभी लड़ोगे, कभी जीतोगे, कभी हार भी जाओगे, और ज़्यादा चांसेस है कि आप हारोगे भाई और छोड़ दोगे वो काम। लेकिन एक चीज़ है जो कि आप कर सकते हो, और जिससे हो सकता है कि आप 100% गोल ना अचीव कर पाओ, पर हो सकता है आप 90% गोल अचीव कर सकते हो। हो सकता है कि आपको जो गोल 1 साल बाद मिलने वाला हो सकता है, आप उसको 1 साल और 6 महीने में पा पाओ, because of these obstacles only. So what is that one thing? It's actually called don't just blame yourself, just try to fix as much as you can now. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि ठीक है, मान लिया, चलो ठीक है 10-15 PM पे कि चलो ठीक 5 बजे मान लिया कि नहीं सो पाए भाई, रीजन हो, अब मैं क्या पॉसिबल कर सकता हूं, बेस्ट पॉसिबल आउटकम क्या निकाल सकता हूं जो कि मेरे पास है। ब्लेम नहीं करने बैठ जाना कि भाई मैं नहीं सो पाया, अब तो छोड़ दूंगा, मैं अब क्या करूं। नहीं भाई, फिक्स करो व्हाट यू वुड गोना डू दैट डे, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट पॉसिबल आउटकम फॉर यू। एंड फॉर मी इट वॉज लाइक कि सो जाओ 12 बजे तक, अब क्या करना, अभी तो कुछ है नहीं ऐसा इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज आई जस्ट मैं कल 12 बजे तक सोया दोपहर के, बिकॉज अभी एडमिट था मैं हॉस्पिटल में। तो उसके बाद आई जस्ट रीजॉइन माई जिम एंड आई वॉज जस्ट हिटिंग द जिम दैट डे ओनली, सो my muscles were all breakdown and I just don't wanted to just lose those gains out there, so therefore I just decided ki I was gonna be sleeping like 12 p.m. so it's the best possible outcome you have to decide what you would gonna do after the damage you made from that obstacle. You have to decide that. No one would gonna tell you about that कि छोटी छोटी बात नहीं बताने आएंगी your parents की, हाँ बेटा अब ठीक है, अब कुछ नहीं ऐसे हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, now you would gonna do this. It's like every small thing you need to do that by yourself only. You should be fixing that by yourself only, because you are the only person, you have the only authority for your body, your personality, how you would gonna be like in 5 years. That's all for today. We're gonna meet in another video. Till that, take care, stay tuned. Jai Bharat. Bye bye.